If you want to know how I got this simple look, I haven't done makeup in a while, so I started to plan some makeup. Keep watching. Hey guys, I got my new hairstyle, so you know I already have to do makeup. Check out that video. But I'm going to do something simple. I'm going to use the crayon case, box of crayons. Just got that. I had all her other stuff, but not that. She had a sale, so got that. And, you know, my skincare, got some new skincare, you know, so we're going to dibble and dabble. But I'm going to base my eyes with P. Louise base number 5 because it's a neutral look. I don't want anything too bold. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. So I'm going to use a box of crayons. I'm going to be using Deep Plum, Tan, and maybe Brown. Not too sure. So my camera was not recording. I just added that tan color and I just started to build it up in my crease. I'm taking my MAC powder. This is NC55 just to blend that out and set under my brow bone. And I'm going to start to blend in and build up that deep plum color. I'm going to change a brush. I'm going to keep adding. For some reason this color wasn't as pigmented as I thought, but I don't know, maybe I wasn't using the right brush, but you're going to see me applying it over and over just to build up that intensity. And yeah, I wanted this to be a natural look, so it wasn't a problem. Right here, I'm just using whatever base is left on the back of my hand and on my brush to create a faux halo look. I'm going to go back in with that deep plum. Now it's starting to really show up. Like I said, I guess I was using the wrong brush for it. Maybe I needed a denser brush. That's more of a denser brush. I'm going to blend with that tan and that deep plum. You're going to see me going back and forth. So I pulled out the MacBook. I wasn't recording. The camera had shut off, not the computer. But I used the MacBook. The only color I use in the MacBook is this color right here. This super nude color. I use that super nude color just right here. So I put some hydrate in eye mask on so that the glitter's gonna fall on it and it's gonna be perfect because I'm gonna take it off anyway after. But yeah, I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna put this glue and then I'm gonna pat on the glitter. This glitter is from Glow Up Academy and it's called Fairy Tale and it is ultra cute. I'm obsessed with her glitters. So yeah, I think we ain't gonna tell you how much I got, but I'm obsessed. But I'm gonna go ahead and just start to pack on the glitter. So I use the INV lash glue just to apply my glitter. You don't really need to do this step, but you know, I love this glitter and I wanted it to really stick out and last. But yeah, I love this tool. It's from the Makeup Shack. It's like a little silicone tip. It's so pretty. Okay, so I love skincare. I'm obsessed. This is the 4th Ray Beauty. This is the Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. Love this. Just used it today. First time. My skin feels amazing. 4th Ray Rainfall. This is 2% hyaluronic acid serum. Then I went on top of that with 4th Ray Good Mood. This is a gel moisturizer. So all 3 are from the same products. All 3 are from the same company. Come on, Diana. So yes. And then the eye patches are from Good Molecules. This is caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. I'm going to show you up close of the 4th Ray Beauty products all at once. Hopefully I can get it into the shot. So we're going to do these 2. But I already did my moisturizer and my skin feels amazing. It's nice and plump. I'm going to leave this on for a few more. Well, a matter of fact, I'll take these off. So I like them. It comes with a lot of product that your eyes can definitely soak up. I would recommend you do this at night or when you're watching TV at night. And then go to sleep with it on, and then your eyes should be super moisturized. I just got this package in the mail. I would have done it way before when I was doing my eye makeup to just get more of that hydration in, but it is what it is. This is Kilo Luxe. This is my homegirl. I'll link her stuff. I actually linked her stuff on Instagram, but I'll link it again with all the products that I used. Hopefully I can remember. If I don't, please remind me. But this is Kilo Luxe Lip Oil. This is 24 karat. It's like a lavender. And it is so good. I'm literally obsessed. So yeah, I work with her. So it's a small company. She's Hispanic. Black Lives Matter. You know, the movement. And I'm supporting her brand because she's cool. And it is what it is. But yeah, I'm going to let this sink in. And I'll be back to prime my skin and move on to the face. Okay, so I am all moisturized. I primed with the Huda Beauty primer, the original. I use it and put it back. But for my contour, I'm going to be using this black opal stick in the color Suede Mocha, as usual. This is Warm Honey from LA Girl for under my eyes. This is Pecan 380 from L'Oreal Infallible. And for my foundation, I'm going to be using this Can't Stop Won't Stop in the color Nutmeg. I'm going to be doing the tailor-made chain method, so you already know it's less product, it blends in faster, so that's what we're about to do. So I did my makeup application, well, my face makeup application on camera. You know, I'm going to breeze through. Told you what I'll be using, and yeah, we're just going to get through this face. It was super simple. So, you know, under my eyes, I'm going to go in with that Midnight Banana Powder, tried and true. And then all over I went over with the Van Nuys Neutral Set. I'm going to take this Judy brush from the Creole case. And I'm going to take my powder foundation from MAC NC50. I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to dust it all over my face. Then I'm going to take this Inglot AMC powder in the color 68 to contour. It's really, really dark, so I gotta be very careful. But yeah, it's really, really dark. And yes, I have a lot of stuff. So, you know, we're gonna be utilizing all this stuff. But I don't know what lip I want to do yet. So I'm just gonna powder my face. I don't know what I want to highlight with, but we're gonna come back. Let me just powder my face. I grabbed my Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case. As usual, you can do it soft, you can do her bold. Today, you know, soft glam, so I went in lightly and just tapped it and blended. But I really love this highlighter. So my contour was not showing up. So I went and dug in deeper, and then boom, look at that. But it's okay because I blended it out. So I popped on this lash. I gotta clamp it into place. I'm gonna do like maybe 2 bottom lashes on the bottom and 2. I don't know. I'm gonna do. But this is the lash that I'm gonna go for. You can still see the glitter. It's cute. Definitely. So I'm just gonna pop on my lash. I don't know what kind of lip I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna set my face with the More Luminous setting spray since I use a lot of setting powder. Yeah, but you know. So free. So I'm gonna move on to my lips. This is Bite Me from Morphe. This is a gloss from MAC. This is Showing Skin, and I'm also gonna use Sis lipstick from MAC. This is discontinued, oldie but goodie. This is still current, so. But I'm dropping my lipstick. But I felt like I wanted to do a nude lip, so you know, my signature nude. And the look is complete. I'm gonna take down my hair and I'll be right back. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on this simple makeup. Well, I feel like it's simple. 2 shadows and some glitter. No, 3 shadows and some glitter. And a neutral lip. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later.